Have you seen this YouTube channel that's absolutely blowing up with AI-generated wrestling videos? These videos are unlike anything else, featuring a giant wrestler fighting against a smaller opponent in packed arenas, surrounded by a roaring crowd that hypes up the action. The fights feels realistic, and viewers can't seem to get enough of them. This strategy has skyrocketed the channel to over 400,000 subscribers with just 47 videos. And here's the crazy part. Those videos have racked up a jaw-dropping 170 million views. Just imagine that level of exposure. A channel this size could easily be making up to $5,000 every month just from YouTube ad revenue. What makes this even more exciting is these viral wrestling videos 100% AI generated. No expensive software or spending hours editing. It's all done using free AI tools, and with the right approach, anyone can do it. Today, I'm going to break it all down for you. I'll show you exactly how these videos are made step by step, so you can start creating your own AI wrestling videos that could go viral. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because each step is crucial. All right, let's get started. The first step in creating an AI wrestling video is generating a high-quality image prompt. This prompt is crucial because it tells the AI exactly what kind of wrestling scene to create. To make this process as easy as possible, I created a Google Doc with ready-made prompt that you can use to get your image prompts with the help of ChatGPT. The link to this Google Doc is in the description below. If you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor by hitting that like button. It helps the algorithm push this video to more creators just like you. Now open the Google Doc using the link in the description and copy one of the image prompt, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it, then hit enter. In just minutes, ChatGPT will generate a fully optimized prompt that can be used to create stunning AI wrestling images. If more variety is needed, simply ask ChatGPT for additional prompts, and ChatGPT will do that in minutes. These prompts make it easy to create professional-looking AI wrestling images that will hook viewers and keep them watching. Now that the image prompts are ready, it's time to bring them to life by generating high-quality AI images. For this, we'll be using Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and free. Once logged in, click the plus icon to open the image generation interface. Before generating any images, adjusting the settings is crucial to getting the best possible results. Set the style to realistic. This ensures the wrestlers look as lifelike and detailed as possible. Next, change the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the ideal format for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, making your content mobile-friendly and engaging. Now switch over to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Then head back to Ideogram and paste the prompt into the input box. Then click Generate. Ideogram will now begin processing the prompt, creating multiple high-quality images based on your prompt. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once the images are ready, take your time to scroll through them and choose the one that best fits the vision of your wrestling match. When you find the perfect image, download it to your device. Now repeat this process for each prompt to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to animate our images into videos. For this step, we'll be using Hailuo AI. Go over to your browser and search for hailuoai.video. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon, which will take you to the animation interface. Upload the first image you want to animate. To ensure the animation stays true to the original vision, go back to ChatGPT and copy the exact prompt used to generate the image. This will guide the AI in creating motion that matches the scene's details. Paste the prompt into Hailuo AI and hit Generate. Hailuo AI will start working its magic, bringing movement to your image. This process may take some time depending on the complexity of the animation, so be patient while the AI processes everything. When the animation is ready, preview the video carefully. However, if the animation doesn't quite meet expectations, you can regenerate the animation to get a slightly different version. Then download it to your device. Now repeat this process for each image until all of them have been successfully animated. Now it's time to get background music for our video. Instead of spending hours searching for royalty-free tracks, we'll create our own custom music using Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't have an account created one, it only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon, which will take you to the music creation interface. The kind of music we want does not require lyrics, just style of music, so open ChatGPT and ask it to give you a music style for a wrestling theme, then click Enter, and ChatGPT will suggest a powerful, energetic style that fits the action-packed nature of wrestling. Copy the suggested music style and head back to Suno. Paste the suggested music style into the input box, then give your track a title and click Create. Suno will generate 2 unique tracks based on the style provided. Once they're ready, take a moment to listen to both. Once you've picked the perfect track, download it to your device. The final step in bringing this AI wrestling match to life is editing everything together into a professional, engaging video. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the animated video clips that were generated earlier using Hailuo AI. Next, it's crucial to set the right video format. To do this, click on Aspect Ratio and select 9:16, since this video is designed for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. If any of the clips contain unwanted logos or watermarks, they need to be removed to keep the video looking clean and professional. To do this, simply select the clip, then stretch it slightly until the watermark is no longer visible. Repeat this process for every clip that needs adjustments. This small step can make a huge difference in making your video look polished. Next, we enhance the visual flow of the video by adding transitions between clips. Click on Overlays and choose the transition you prefer. Then click Apply to All to ensure the transition effect is added consistently between all clips, making the video flow smoothly from one scene to the next. A wrestling match isn't complete without the roar of the crowd, so adding realistic sound effects is a must. Click on Audio and select Sound Effects, then search for crowd cheering or stadium noise to simulate the energy of a packed wrestling arena. Once you've found the right sound effect, drag it onto the timeline and stretch it across the entire video so that the background noise remains consistent throughout. Now it's time to add the custom background music that was created earlier using Suno. Click on Sounds and import it onto the timeline. Now that everything is in place, watch the entire video from start to finish to see if it's well edited. If you're satisfied with the video, click Export and increase the resolution to 4K for the best possible quality. Then download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.